Ladies, gentlemen, and the other men, the ones who sell on Amazon. Today is a remarkable day for human civilization. Since the dawn of our species, the one thing that has held back human progress? Transportation. First, it was the wheel, then the horse, then the automobile and the airplane, and today, Boxem Quantum. By harnessing long-lost technology from Nikola Tesla himself, today Boxem becomes the first software to ever offer teleportation of your products to Amazon or anywhere else. Using subatomic ASIN warping, Boxem has developed the technology that can move products from your living room to the Amazon warehouse for free in an instant. And in just a moment, you'll hear from some of our early adopters that are loving this technology so far, but I do need to add the important caveat that while Boxem teleportation shipping is completely free, it is still Amazon and you will be subject to interdimensional transport placement fees, of course. But with that established, let's see how this technology performs in the wild.
Man, this prep is taking forever. Boxem, could you move these bottles in the bags for me? Wow, thanks, Boxem.
Oh, what a good product. Hey, Boxem, send this to my warehouse. Oh my goodness, free products, let's go.
Hey Boxem, can you help me with this tee shot? Let's try shipping this ball back there. Huh, this feature's awesome. Hole in one, let's go.
Boxem, little help here, pal? Nice.
So from all of us at Boxem, we hope you enjoy this revolutionary new technology, and we hope you have a great April 1st.